Hey guys, this is Build It. Welcome to our ultimate $500 gaming PC build. No more said, let's get into it. For the processor, we went with the Intel Pentium G3258. This is a rock solid processor with 2 cores and it is overclockable up to 4.3 GHz. This will come very handy when you're gaming. It also has a very good price, so it is a key part in our gaming PC build. For the motherboard, we went with the Asus B58 Pro Gamer. This is a very high quality motherboard with 4 DIMM slots which support up to 32 GB of RAM. It has a socket LGA 1150, so it will support Pentium, i3, i5 and even i7 processors. It supports crossfire technology, so if you want to add several graphics cards, go on. For RAM, we recommend Kingston's HyperX Fury series. It is a high-speed gaming RAM and 8 GB will be perfectly enough for any high-end game these days. For storage, get any 1TB hard drive or a 120GB SSD. For the graphics card, we went with Gainward's GeForce GTX 750 Golden Sample. It has 2 GB of GDDR5 memory, has very high performance and very good price. This will run all games at 1080p medium settings, high frame rates. For the power supply, I chose Chieftec's iArena 500W. It's not a modular power supply, but it'll get the job done. For the case, we went with CoolerMaster K-350. It is a very nice case with a large window, several ports, and it comes with a red fan. I guarantee that you'll love this case. The total price of this awesome build was $520 United States dollars. You might ask, will I build this computer? Yes, in a few weeks' time I'll upload all the benchmarks. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and comment below. What would you change in this build?